can actually eat. Yun. I don't know with you, but I position myself. I have to pursue what I'm wired to do, what I'm designed to be, and that is to save the world. I'm a hero. I'm not just to look at myself, to position myself that I am loved. Because sometimes, iba yung parating ng ano nila eh, yung mga negativities nila, to reassure myself that my value is intact. Because those words, those gestures of them that are not right, what they're doing to me, it's like those things are diminishing me of my value, right? And also to you guys, probably if you're undergoing that. So I always tell this to myself, guys, there's a purpose behind. Bakit itong hurt na to? Bakit itong hindi ko gusto? Why the unpleasant things, those things that I hate, they are happening to me? It's allowed, and I have to put it into my system that there's always a reason or a purpose behind. And as a life coach, as an ambassador of hope, I won't be able to be more of hope right there, hopeful, Janlu, and more of a life coach. I wouldn't have more inputs to others. Gusto pa man akong sa kanila if ako mismo I'm not undergoing it. That's why I need to undergo. And that makes me navigate into my life well, manage things well in my life because I have that angle, that perspective that I should just undergo this one. And I have to not escape, I need to go through. Higher heights, just like the mountains, going to the peak, but you're not yet there. Tulog balik, diba? Usually, or, okay, panday, kaya pa din ako. Mura na helicopter, waman. No? Well, I'm staying, doon lang mandiri. But then, it was a no-brainer for me. It should be an excuse. So, eto yung in-incorporate ko, 7-second rule. Okay, ganito yan. So, nag-alarm na. Ang gagawin mo, dapat, you should see yourself. And then non-verbal. How do you ask for help? You call someone, you dad, help me. Like, come here, like, you see that I have a need. Can you help me? Can you respond to me? Ang isa, nabungap na. So, showing na nabuha na siya, like, I need your help. I need someone to, make me keep my sanity. And it's starting to become insane. So, grabe yung reaching out. Kita na ko na, gusto ko yun. Yung talagang reaching out na kind of asking for help. Okay. It's a little bit hard. Why? Because you're stuck sa space niya, right? And you're not allowed to talk. Right? It's okay. Can you freeze your final act? Freeze with your final act. You're already happy. Tama? Like malling or watching a movie. Sige, gana na. Kaning movie na movie di mata akong ganahan. Because you want to like please them, kung pwede, most of the times. Or you sacrifice yourself for them. But sometimes it's also, but not sometimes, most of the time, allow yourself to be. This is not a selfish act, but then one way of loving yourself is to also allow yourself to have time with yourself. That's when you can be able to refresh yourself, kung ano mga gagawin mo, mga next moves mo, and you just don't know. Somewhere out there, like na mo cross mo mind, ayun na pala yung solution sa to the problems that you have. Those are the next steps that you're gonna do. Okay? Feeling good din ko energy, ganawa na siya ngayon. This is not like I think magkaiba magiging ano? Let's do the final walk. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of smiles right there. Ang uban kayo, ginakontrol nila yourself. Pero kung bugawas dito si Juan. Si Jack, hindi ay. Ayan. Sige. Alright guys, thank you for that. Let's, kindly pause. Ayan. And ito yung pinali natin. We always think na sana meron akong time to connect to the Lord, to connect to my Creator. But then, we don't seem to find time because we're so busy, right? So how do you project this? Probably it goes hand in hand with spending a lot and a long term. How do you show that you're connecting with the Lord? In your own way, like by praising, by singing, because there are a lot of